Introducing Trimble Municipal Reporter, an easy-to-use and easy-to-implement issue management system that allows municipalities to better record and resolve issues, all while saving your town time and money. In many communities, municipal workers still create paper reports by hand, then turn in their reports later in the day. Aside from being a very slow process for today's modern world, the paper and pencil approach often leads to data errors and inconsistent reporting. The end result? A negative impact on your town. Public safety is reduced. Poor data quality can lead to poor decision-making. Potential liability increases, and the attractiveness of your city is diminished. The solution? The Trimble Municipal Reporter System allows cities to replace paper forms with electronic reports that are sent immediately to the office. Some Trimble handheld units have a camera, plus Bluetooth and GPS functionality built right in, so city workers can quickly capture images of issues out in the field. In addition to being far faster than a paper report, an electronic report is a simple way to geotag the precise location of an issue and include photos of the scene, the type of issue, the time the issue is identified, and how urgent the issue is. Having precise GPS information, along with photos, dates, and times, can prove invaluable should your city be required to provide evidence in a legal dispute or proof of progress in resolving a public safety issue. As soon as a worker transmits an electronic report via built-in GSM or Wi-Fi, the office can take immediate action, quickly assessing how soon an issue needs to be addressed and prioritize its importance. Internet connectivity and GPS on the handhelds allows you to track where your crews are in relation to issues. This enables you to quickly assign the right field worker and the right equipment to get the job done efficiently. In addition, the Locate Me feature gives your field workers the ability to send location data back to the office instantly. This is particularly useful for alerting the office when worker or citizen safety is compromised. The Trimble Municipal Reporter System is extremely easy to learn and operate for both field and office workers. Field workers can be trained on how to use a handheld unit in less than an hour. And since the Trimble Municipal Reporter System is a web-based, hosted solution, there's no office software to install or upgrade. You can get a solution up and running in no time, without the need for technical support. With citizens demanding more efficient and cost-effective management from their city leaders, now is the time to bring Trimble Municipal Reporter to your town. For more information on the Trimble Municipal Reporter System and how to bring it to your town, visit trimble.com/municipal_reporter or talk with your local Trimble dealer today.